Hi everybody, it's your girl Mimi and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, the title already says it all, but we can say goodbye to normal, horrible, glue and false eyelashes. Because we're done with that. Because we're going to be reviewing and testing out magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes. I literally am so excited. I have been wanting to try these for a long time. These are the brand Arishine, and they come with 5 different eyelashes. So if you want to figure out if this works or not, and if you want to see me use it, then just keep on watching. Before I even think about putting on the eyelashes and eyeliner, obviously I have to do my makeup. I'm not going to do anything too complicated. I'm just going to do something simple because honestly, realistically, I only want to try the eyeliner and the eyelashes anyway. So I think I'm going to do something blue because I never do blue all that often, like light blues. I don't know why. So let's just pick up a couple blues from the James Charles palette. And let's just put something quick on my eyes real quick. I lost the card that has all the names of the colors in here, so I'll look them up later and pop them up on the screen so you know exactly what color I'm using. But I'm picking up this periwinkle blue type shade, and I'm just gonna put that into my crease real quick because I think I want to use the sparkly light blue in here, just, as a pop of color. So I'm just gonna pick up this blue and put a little bit of it in my crease just to put some shape and color into my eye. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to pick up something that's also periwinkle, but in the darker periwinkle color, like era, and I'm going to deepen up my crease just a little bit. Now I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going to blend those colors together real quickly, and then we'll move on to eyeliner. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, and beware, James Charles palette always has fallout, so my face is turning blue, which is great. Okay, I thought I was done, but I'm gonna add one more little thing because I have a too much gene. To deepen up the crease a little bit, I am going to take the tiniest amount of black. Do you hear me? The tiniest amount. Do not get all that much because this black is crazy. And I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner just to deepen the eyes up a little bit because I feel like they're very blue. Blue is what I was going for, but like not this blue. I'm just gonna deepen that crease up a little bit, and then I will blend all of it together, and then this time we will go to eyeliner. Okay, now I'm going to finally open this up. It just comes in something like this. It just says magnetic eyeliner and then Arishine. It's a navy blue color, gold tip, pretty basic, not too interesting. Kind of small though for a liner, I will say that. I'm just gonna pull it out and just do winged eyeliner really quickly. As I'm applying it, I'm noticing that it has a bit of a minty kind of smell. Well, it kind of, okay, I'm not gonna lie, it smells kind of chemically, which is not kind of good at all, kind of scary, but it's like a chemical smell that wants to not be a chemical smell for some odd reason. I don't know, it's really weird. It's like chemically, but not super chemically, if that makes any sense. Not really, obviously I'm just being stupid. So that's one winged eye done, so I'm just gonna do the other one real quick, and then we'll see, once it dries, if the eyelashes actually stick to these. I almost got them exact, but not even close, of course. So this one needs to match this one now, of course. So let me just...
What?
I almost got them exact, but not even close, of course.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I almost got them exact, but not even close.
Okay, there you go. So I just put on the eyeliner. It is very black, but I will say you have to go back into the container a lot because it doesn't pick up as much product as you would think that it does. Maybe it's just this brand that I'm using. Maybe other brands aren't like that, but this one, the Arishine eyeliner, you'll kind of have to go in and out of this a lot.
That's what she said.
Since I have kind of dramatic makeup on, I think I'm going to pick the most dramatic lashes that are in this pack. And from the looks of it, I think it's this top one. They're the biggest and the most fluffy. Normally, you would cut the eyelashes to fit your eyelash perfectly, but I would not recommend that with these only because there are magnets along here. Unless you're gonna cut off a full magnet, I would not recommend cutting them only because I feel like that'll mess with the integrity. Without further ado, I'm just gonna try this on and see how well it goes on really quickly. Okay. That didn't take as long as it normally takes me, which is kind of nice. You do have to do a little fidgeting around, but I'm not mad at that. Obviously, I have to blend my natural lash line to them, so I'm going to put the other one on, and then we'll talk about how I feel about them. Okay, so I've figured out these are way too big for me, so we're just going to ploop, and that's just how they come off. Easy peasy, no glue, no nothing. I will say this though, if you have curly eyelashes, as I do, you will find these a little bit trickier to put on only because it wants to go right in your crevices, but when you have curly eyelashes, that doesn't exactly work like that for real. So I think I'm gonna pick the ones in the center. I think those are also cute as well, and they're not as obnoxious. So let me try those on real quick. So I just put these on. I ended up picking the top row. I'm pretty sure those are the daily ones. I am so happy I tried this. I'm not going to lie. If you are somebody with curlier eyelashes, I would make sure you're up close in the mirror so then that way you can just plop them on properly. But honestly, no tugging. They are not uncomfortable, super lightweight. What I would recommend though is whenever you put on the eyeliner, let it get tacky, but don't let it get completely dry, because when it gets completely dry, sometimes it's a little hard for it to stick better. But let me tell you, I'm not even playing with glue no more, honestly. They look the exact same. There is no way they're moving. I am kind of obsessed. And what's nice with these is all you have to do is make sure the magnets on the lashes are clean, and you can just keep reusing them with no problem, and then just keep getting eyeliner whenever you're out of eyeliner. These lashes that I'm wearing right now are lashes I would normally buy for myself because they're wispy but not too long, but still add a little bit of flair. But honestly, sorry, I can't stop looking at my eyelashes. It's just so convenient and it is so much easier. Now what I'm gonna do, which I haven't done yet, is blend my real lashes with the falsies real quick to see how it's gonna act, to see, because since it's magnets, you would think that it would move while you're putting on mascara, but nope. The magnetic eyeliner is keeping it very still, actually. They're not budging. Literally just went on smoothly. I'm just checking in my mirror to see how blended my lashes are to the falsies, and it looks really good. I would have no idea that these were magnetic or any type of different at all. I would have thought these were basic, just normal lashes. What do I rate this? I rate these a 4 out of 5, only because I think that the eyeliner could be in a bigger tube. I feel like they need to give out more liner. I like that it comes with 5. There's some options where you have 10 that you can get, but for just a basic everyday type of person, 5 is really not that bad, and they're pretty different and pretty versatile. I like the Arishine brand, but I think I'm gonna try another brand because I feel like another brand would also work better. So just do your research, check reviews, but I personally would recommend this one. I'm definitely gonna keep using these. So in my upcoming videos, be sure to watch me use these or any type of new magnetic eyelashes I'm getting, because honestly, I have very sensitive eyes, so I get contact safe glue, but even that can be problematic sometimes, and this just alleviates that problem completely. So I am so excited to keep trying these. you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what you think and tell me what other videos you'd love to see from me. If you aren't already subscribed, you know, there's a little button down there that can totally, you know, let you subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.